Hey, what's up guys? Today we've got an easy video for you. We've got a pair of Shell Cordovan Aldens that the guy actually threw a hill, and when I say that I'm joking, he actually lost the leather portion of his combination hill, and they were getting a little bit worn anyway, so I said it's a good time to get them replaced totally anyway, so let's get with it. Alright, so one of the first things that I noticed, and I'd seen them on them before, but just wanted to talk about it, these hill blocks are not made out of like stacked vegetable tan leather, the way traditional hill blocks are. It's still it's not a Johnson & Murphy paper hill, but it is a kind of pulpish type leather. I mean, it's not like vegetable tan leather. Normally, you should be able to just pull and you'd start to see fibers versus like kind of flakes of leather, but a little disappointed in that. The hill block is fine, you know, it's still built like a stack leather. It's just the actual leather itself isn't what you traditionally see in a stack leather high-end shoe, especially at the price that you're paying for these shoes. But nonetheless, we're gonna get going. These rubber top lifts are very smooth. Sometimes you can get them where they're actually roughed up, but they have an oil, and you can actually rub and kind of feel that just during the manufacturing process. It's got a little bit of oil on there, so we go over it with a little acetone just to clean it, and then we rough it up. Alright, several coats of glue have been put on and they are ready to stick. Aldens have some wide heel bases, and so man, these things just barely fit on. Alright, we got them all done, and this guy didn't actually want us to shine them because he just really likes to shine his shoes himself, and I applaud that. I wish there were a lot more guys out there that would want to treat their uppers themselves, but the heels look fantastic. And so it was a short, sweet, to the point video. If you like this, then hit the subscribe button, give us a little thumbs up action, give us your comments. We really love reading your comments, if your opinions of Alden's shoes are, if you're an Alden guy. And hit the little bell because we got videos like this coming out all the time. We'll send them directly to you. Until next time, see you later.